What's up, YouTube? We finally got them Platinum 11s in. Here go the review of the Platinum 11s that dropped October 27th. Right just in time for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Also, I'm going to do a review on the Concords that come out December 9th, which I have to cop. That's a must cop for everybody. That's how we do in Chicago. We have to cop the 11s, the Retro Jordans. But we just wanted to do a quick review on these shoes. I know people like to do the unboxing. Just go to unboxing. I haven't even seen these yet. So we're about to get into it. First, before we get into it though, make sure all my followers, all my family, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can keep up with my videos. Once again, it's Chuck 100, and we finna get into these Platinum 11s. And you know, we real around here, we using keys, you know, we don't care, because we cop the rock. We ain't like them other lame dudes that's on YouTube that just get shoes, stack them all up in their house. No, we cop the rock. We get them and we wear them until it's over with. You know, Mike's on me, Mike's on beat. You know, legit. This is legit. This ain't from China. Stuff not from China. Just let y'all know. Hold on. This actually from Champs. Champs sent me these. So, but let's. Ooh, look at the box. They changed the 11 box though. I kind of really don't like that already. I'm kind of upset that they changed the 11 box. Usually, a lot of people probably gonna be mad at this because the 11 box usually the slide out case box, but at the same time, this is that old retro box. I believe this is like the first box that they started putting the Jordans in. But here we go. Let's see what it say, because I like to look at everything to make sure shit be real. But this box is in pristine condition. Air Jordan 11 Retro, $220 suggested retail. Soul brand, Air Soul brands. Nike, Netherlands. Okay. European operation. It's a real box. Let's open this box up and let's see what we got here. Okay. Nice paper. You see how the paper, some people, I like when my paper is like neatly folded. Let's open it. They busting already. We like this. This how we get down in Chicago. Look. Oh my God. So, with the first thing I'm looking at is this Platinum 10 is busting because it's almost like it's suede with the creamy milky bottom. Carbon fiber bottom soles. Let me show you guys. I'm more. Oh, and you know they legit. Laces tied up. Jordan sign right where it need to be. These are hot. I really think these hot. I mess with all 11s. If it's 11, we cop it. We cop to rock. These go on feet, and we don't mess around when it comes to the mics, man. Let's see the second one. Oh, that's it. It's another one in there. Same one. I said same one. Whatever. But anyway, let's pull the inside out and let's see what the trees are like. Okay, red trees, no paper. Yeah. Well, y'all, man, this the view. Let's put them on the box. It's the view for the 11 Platinum tint. Got the nice red line right there with the Kevlar. It's not suede. It's some other type of leather, but it got the milky bottom. I like all the 11s that come with the milky bottom. But yeah, if you like this review, what we just did, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, hit that like button, and if you ain't messing with me, hit the thumbs down and get the hell off my